morning, science buddy. Welcome to your science class. Before we begin our periodic test, let's have first warm up our minds with a quick fun review. Difficult level. Today we will go through some difficult level question to help you recall what you've learned. Are you ready? With the power of curiosity and light, let's our mind prepare and take a flight. With questions easy, fun, and clear, let learning begins with nothing to fear. Now, open your minds and heart. The review question shall now start. Direction: choose the letter of the correct answer. Number 1. Which science skills helps us use tools like a ruler to know how long or wide something is? A. Classifying. B. Predicting. C. Measuring. D. Observing. Number 2. Which of the following is not a solid materials? A. Balloon. B. Clay. C. Water. D. Cardboard. What is the main property of gold that makes valuable for jewelry? A. Softness. B. Stretchability. C. Shininess. D. Weight. Or hand lens helps scientists to A. Cut objects. B. Hear sounds. C. See small details. D. Measure time. Five. What unit would you use to measure the length of a pencil? A. Kilogram. B. Liter. C. Centimeter. D. Minutes. Number 6. Which of the following shows a child asking scientific question? A. Where did I leave my book? B. What will happen? I mix red and blue water. C. Can I play outside? D. What is your favorite color? Seven. Why is modeling clay useful for making shapes? A. It changes color. B. It is soft and moldable. C. It bounces. D. It cannot be cut. Eight. How do you know if a material is stretchable? A. It changes color when it bends. B. It returns to its shapes after being pulled. C. It melts easily. D. It breaks when pressed. Nine. When is observing used in science? A. To make tools. B. To throw away trash. C. To notice changes in an experiment. D. To guess answer. Number 10. Why are scissors considered as science tools? A. They can be played with. B. They are sharp. Why are scissors considered as science tools? A. They can be played with. B. They are sharps. C. They help change the shape. D. They make sounds. Number 11. You are given a ruler and a balloon. What science activity can you do? A. Measure how far the balloon stretch. B. Cut the balloon. C. They help change the shape. D. They make sounds. Number 12. Which of the following activities helps protect the environment? A. Burning old newspapers. B. Throwing excess oil into the sink. C. Reusing plastic bottles. D. Burying metal scraps. Number 13. Which of the following best explains why two students got different measurements for the same pencil? A. They used the same ruler but measure at the same time. B. One student measured from the 0 mark and the other started from the 1 mark. C. The pencil changed its length. D. Both students guessed without measuring. Number 14. Which of the following best explains why dark clouds in the sky often meant it's going to rain soon? A. Dark clouds are made of smoke. B. The sky turned dark every afternoon. C. Dark clouds are full of water droplets. D. The sun makes the clouds turn gray. Number 15. If a nail is bent using a hammer, what kind of change happened? A. Physical change. B. Chemical change. C. Natural change. D. Reversible change. Number 16. Your group observed that a plastic bottle was melted near a fire. What conclusion can you make? A. Plastics do not change when heated. B. Fire makes plastic stronger. C. Heat causes plastic to change shape and form. D. Nothing happens to plastic. #17. You measured two sticks. Stick A is 15 cm long. Stick B is 25 cm long. What can you say? A. Stick A is longer than stick B. B. Stick B is shorter than stick A. C. Both are the same. D. Stick B is longer than stick A. #18. Which of the following best explain how we can tell what type of metal is used in community objects like gate or a water pipe? A. By guessing based on its color. B. By looking at the shape of the object. C. By checking how the metals is used and if it's rust or stays shiny. D. By touching the metal to see if it is hot. #19. Which of the following is most likely to harm the environment? A. Reusing paper. B. Throwing plastic in the river. C. Collecting glass bottles. D. Planting trees. 20. Which materials best shown the properties of being magnetic and shiny? A. Silver and copper. B. Wood and rubber. C. Plastic and clay. D. Paper and cardboard. 21. Your classmate throw away your used paper instead of recycling. What is the best thing to do? A. Ignore them. B. Tell them to continue. C. Politely remind them about recycling. D. Hide the trust. 22. Which of the following is the best reason to avoid burning plastics? A. It takes time. B. It is not fun. C. It will use air and harm people. D. It smells bad. 23. Which of the following groups show objects that are correctly classified based on how they are used in the community? A. Spoon, chair, cell phone, all are cooking. B. Broom, trash can, dustpan, all are cleaning. C. Pencil, towel, hammer, all are for writing. D. Shoes, books, plate, all are for wearing. 24. After using oil for cooking, what should your family do with the leftover oil? A. Pour into the sink. B. Reuse or place it in the sealed trash. C. Mix it with water. D. Leave it in the pan. 25. Which actions show correct use of a science tool during an experiment? A. Using a ruler to stir paint. B. Using scissors to measure. C. Using a hand lens to look at insects. D. Using cardboard to hit a nail. 26. You want to build a toy car from recycled materials. What will you most likely need? A. Iron nails and paper. B. Plastic bottles and rubber. C. Water and leaves. D. Spoon and fork. 27. After observing a plant for 1 week, students show that its leaves turn yellow and cracked. What is the best conclusion the student can make? A. The plant is growing taller every day. B. The plant needs more sunlight and water to stay healthy. C. The plant is ready to be harvested. D. The plant is happy because it changed color. 20. You are making a new measuring tool. What recycling items can you use? A. Straw. B. Empty plastic bottle. C. Ruler, template, or cardboard. D. Glass jar. 29. Your class plans 29. Your class plans to build a weather station using recycled items. Which combination is best? A. Oil, paint, and scissor. B. Cardboard, ruler, plastic cups. C. Cloths, tape, fork. D. Nail, balloon, and candy. And last, create a science game about scent. And last, create a science game about classifying materials. Which idea is the best? A. Match materials to their properties: hard, shiny, stretchable. B. Race to throw trash. C. Guess the color of the items. D. Count how many items are in the bag. By the power of curiosity and light. Answer you've spoken, a review is done. We measured, observed, and had some fun. With knowledge now, sharpened spirit bright, we're ready to test our future in our sight. Thank you for joining our review. I hope you get a high score for your periodic test. Please type your score at the comment box. Thank you and goodbye.